Hello Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio. I am Amber and this is my plant. I originally started this video last year, March 20th, 2020, and this plant was sick. I believe that it had plant rust, but I made some changes and now it is thriving. It has some new leaves that are popping out. It is happy and healthy now. So I'm gonna show you what I did to make this plant healthier. It looks like my Dracaena has plant rust. Oh, don't mind the Zen collar around my dog. He is doing fine. He's sniffing the saucer right now. Plant rust is a fungal disease that thrives in damp conditions with poor airflow. The fungus can easily spread through water and wind. I am going to make this plant healthier by getting rid of all of the bad leaves first. Then I am going to repot it. I looked at the color and shape of the fungus, and I did some thorough research which allowed me to determine that this is plant rust that is affecting my plant. Here are some up-close photos of the bad leaves. Next, I am going to remove the soil and clean the pot out. I use a soil mixture for my indoor plants. Some of the things that are inside of my soil mixture is the potting soil, plant food, fertilizer, clay pebbles, and some sand. I rinse the roots of the plant before I put it in the pot. Rinsing the roots allows me to see if there are any possible root issues with the plant, but this looks fine. I did add some more soil to the plant pot, but I did not record that part. This is the same plant a year later. I just wanted to show you that it definitely looks healthier and the plant rust never came back. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.